Today I'm going to show you how to install our custom seat covers for a Tesla Model Y and Model 3. First, locate the top half of the seat cover, find the airbag sticker. You want this closest to the door. Then we can unzip and slide the seat cover down the back of the seat. This is a custom fitted seat cover, so it will be a little bit tight, but once it's on, it will be snug. Now we can zip that zipper down, find our tuck tool and use that to tuck in the flaps through the crease of the seat. In the back, you'll find a black flap that can be unhooked from underneath the seat. Go ahead and tuck that up. Then we'll take the flaps that we pushed through the crease of the seat and pull them down. Then we'll find our bottom piece. You're also looking for that tag to be on the same side as the top half. Undo all three buckles and then we can get ready to place it on the seat like this. Using the tuck tool, we'll tuck our flaps same way we did on the top through the crease of the seat and then send the buckles underneath. Then we'll go underneath the seat again and attach the buckles that we sent through and cinch them tight. On the bottom half of the seat, you'll find these two loops. Use the hook and send them through the two loops. And then we'll grab our tuck tool and tuck all of this into the side of the seat. Underneath the seat, you'll grab that hook and attach it to the same place that you are going to attach the back flap. It will feel like a grate underneath the seat. Once you reach under, you'll be able to feel it pretty easily. Remove the tape that secures the Velcro, and we can Velcro all of this together and take that hook to attach it underneath, cleaning it up. And just like that, your first seat's done. Repeat the same process for the driver and you guys are good to go. Stay tuned for the back seat. And as always, if you have any questions, give us a call.